How do you reduce inter-service communication latency in microservices? Imagine trying to have a conversation where each reply takes a few seconds longer than the last. That's what high communication latency feels like in a microservices setup. When services talk slowly, the whole system feels sluggish. So, how can we speed things up? Let's look at some proven ways to cut down those delays. First, using asynchronous communication can make a big difference. Instead of waiting for a response, services send messages and move on. This is like sending an email instead of making a phone call. Message queues or event-driven messaging systems help services stay responsive and avoid blocking each other. It's a simple trick that keeps things flowing smoothly. Next, try to reduce the number of service calls. If one request requires data from several services, see if you can combine those requests into a single call. This cuts down on the back and forth over the network. For example, instead of calling 3 different services separately, you can create an API that fetches all needed data at once. Optimizing data serialization is another key step. Using compact formats like protocol buffers or message pack instead of JSON or Excel shrinks the data size. Smaller data takes less time to send and process, speeding up communication. It's like packing a suitcase efficiently so you can fit more in less space. Caching is also a powerful tool. Store frequently accessed data in memory using tools like Redis or Memcached. When a service needs that data again, it can grab it instantly from cache instead of querying a database or recalculating. Just remember to update or invalidate the cache when data changes to keep it accurate. Load balancing spreads incoming requests across multiple instances of a service. This prevents any one server from becoming overwhelmed and helps responses come faster. Using tools like Nginx or HeyProxy makes this process simple and effective. A service mesh like Istio or Linkerd can also help. These tools manage service-to-service communication, offering features like retries, intelligent routing, and circuit breaking. They make communication more reliable and reduce delays caused by network issues. Optimizing database access is another step. Use indexes to speed up queries, employ connection pooling to reduce connection setup time, and consider denormalizing data or using red replicas. These tweaks make data retrieval quicker, which in turn reduces overall latency. Finally, tune your microservice configurations. Adjust thread pools, set appropriate timeouts, and allocate resources wisely. This helps services handle loads better and reduces slow responses. Sometimes, just changing a few settings can make a noticeable difference. Avoid unnecessary chaining of service calls. If a service needs data from multiple sources, try to redesign so it can call the needed service directly. This cuts down on the number of hops and speeds things up. By applying these strategies, you can make microservices communicate faster and more efficiently. Faster communication means your system responds quicker, making users happier and your system more reliable. These practices focus on optimizing APIs, databases, and server-side logic to keep everything running smoothly and with low delays.